How you doing, me old muckers? I'm just about to go in Greggs and I'm going to get myself a steak bake. But I'm going to open it inside the shop. That's right, so you can see what exactly inside it. You got any steak bakes, please? No. How much are they now? £2.65. Last time I bought one of these, it was only £1.
Yeah, it's because we're a service as well. We're a bit more.
Have you got a knife so I can just open it?
I can give you like a fork.
Yeah,
like
give me a fork, yeah?
Yeah.
£2.65. Come on. It was never that dear.
Thank you.
Right, thank you. Let's see what's inside this steak bake. It's a bit hard opening it, but look, can you see any steak in there? So that is it, it's flat, yeah? And that is what is in a Greggs steak bake. There's no steak in there, there can't be. Look, there's not, oh there's one piece. One piece of steak. Hang on a minute, is that a piece? There you go, there's two. So they just charged me £2.65 for that. £2.65. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and follow this channel. Greggs Steak Bakes are not as good as they make out they are. Look at that. That is not good at all. Ciao for now. Keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share and follow.